Can showing competence ever be too much in a workspace? Place in a workspace.
Nagiging too much siya kung insecure yung management and yung mga kawork before doon sa government pa ako. Like, ayaw ng boss ko na napupuri ako ng iba. Pero nakakapagsaka, pag wala naman ako, pinupuri naman niya ako doon sa mga kawork ko. So, hindi ko alam. Pero pag nandun ako,
siya, mixed signal.
pinamaliit niya ako.
Mixed signal siya, We don't see competence or excellence kasi as a threat. Kasi diba, from the name of our company, Virtual Champions, para kay Ate, lahat tayo, magagaling tayo lahat, champions tayo lahat. We value everyone's input. We value everyone's strength. Kasi at the same time, we also see and we also try to understand yung flaws ng lahat. Kasi diba tayo perfect na A ka sa lahat, diba?